It's a weeknight. Your kid is stuck on a homework problem, and there's a chatbot one tap away that will hand over the answer in seconds. So do you use it? Should they? If AI is now part of your family's homework, this is your guide. There are really two versions of this, and they change with your child's age. When kids are young, you hold the phone. They ask you, and you might turn to AI to help answer. When they're older, they use it themselves, and your job changes from driver to coach. Part 1. When you're the one using the AI, roughly ages 3 to 10, the most powerful thing you can do costs nothing. When your child asks, don't jump straight to AI. Work it out yourself first, out loud, where they can see. Look it up, sketch it, get it wrong, try again. Why does it matter? When a child only ever sees answers appear instantly, they quietly learn that knowing things is effortless. You just ask the magic box. When they watch you struggle and reason through it, they learn the opposite, more accurate lesson. Figuring things out takes effort, and effort is normal. And keep this in mind before you read anything aloud as fact. AI is confident, even when it's wrong. These tools predict likely text. They don't know things. In one study of AI homework help, a popular model was wrong about a third of the time in the subjects tested, while sounding completely sure. So, use AI to make yourself a better explainer, not to replace you. Ask it, explain this simply enough that I can teach it to my 9-year-old. Or, give me 3 questions to ask so they figure it out themselves. Or, turn this answer into a hint, not the solution. You're asking AI to coach you, not to do the work. Part 2. When they start using it themselves, roughly 11 to 18. Somewhere around 11 to 13, the middleman era ends. Your child uses AI directly, often without mentioning it. By high school, they use it the way you once used a calculator. Pretending otherwise just means you've lost visibility. Your job now isn't to drive, it's to coach. The coaching goal is one simple rule, and there's an experiment behind it. In real high school classes, one group used AI that gave answers. They did great while practicing, then scored worse on the test once the AI was gone. A second group got hints instead of answers, and kept the skill. Same tool, opposite results. So the house rule is, AI is for hints and brainstorming, never the final answer. How do you enforce that without becoming the homework police? Don't demand to read every chat. Surveillance just pushes it out of sight. Instead, now and then, ask to see a recent prompt as a conversation. Ask the 2-part question, what did the AI help with, and what did you do yourself? And turn on the parental controls that exist. A backstop, not a substitute for the talk. Picture it as a quick gut check on your own coaching. Are you asking what they did themselves? Good. Demanding to read every chat? That backfires. Turning answers into hints? Good. Just getting the answer for them? That's the trap. Now and then, ask to see one prompt. Coach the ratio, don't police it. Whether you're helping your 8-year-old or coaching your 16-year-old, the principle is identical. AI should help your child think, never think for them. When they're little, you're the filter. When they're older, you're the coach who hands them the filter. Either way, the goal is a kid who can still do the work when the AI isn't there. So, that's the whole guide in 2 moves. When they're young and you're the one using it, let them watch you think. When they're older and using it themselves, keep it to hints, not answers. Same goal at every age. For the full guide, plus companion pieces written for students and teachers, come find us at AI by Age.